3, 2, 1, beep. Hi, Nature Glow here. Today I want to give home and school educators, or even the curious who are wondering how to hack algebra. Let me tell you, when I was in middle and high school, I hated algebra. And so I want to show you some tools to help you de-school algebra and play with algebra and have fun with it. So I would categorize this as unschooling algebra. You know, most kids are not interested in an algebra textbook, but if you show them what I'm about to show you here, and let's just dive right in. So this is the Cartoon Guide to Algebra by Larry Gonek. And he is an engineer, a mathematician. He really knows his stuff. So here we have the table of contents. And what I love about this book is that he does it in like a comic strip style. So kids just eat it up. You know, kids love comic books. Okay, maybe not all kids, but a lot of kids would really dig this. So here we have the table of contents. What is algebra about? The number line, addition and subtraction, multiplication, division expressions, and variables. So he talks about like all the key concepts that you get in your typical, your typical algebra textbook. But check this out. So look at this. I mean, already you can see like a comic strip in the making here. So I'm not going to read this whole book aloud, but I just want you to get a glance at the inside here. So we have chapter 0. What is algebra about? Before algebra, we learn how to combine numbers by adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing according to the rules of arithmetic. To go on in this book, you must know arithmetic. Piece of cake. I love his comics. They're really creative. Sorry, I'm kind of like zooming in and out and it's a bit fiddly here. If arithmetic is about combining numbers, then what is algebra about? To answer this question, begin with some ordinary arithmetic problems. And then he just writes out these typical textbook problems and rewrite those problems horizontally along a line. So same problems horizontally. In this form, an arithmetic problem is an equation. Isn't that so cool? Like it's just illustrated for you and it just makes algebra so much more interesting, digestible, and it comes alive. And he also brings in real life connections. And let me just go ahead and show you what I mean here. So here we have some really cool, funny illustrations. So he uses an example of a pizza, this guy drawing a number line. And there was a really funny example that he used with money, like positive and negative numbers regarding money. Let me see if I can find that here. Where is it? I know it's here. I was just looking at it earlier. Here it is. Multiplication and division. So here we have, to see how this works, we stay, let me zoom in because I'm having a hard time reading this. To see how this works, we stay with Bhaskara a bit longer and think in terms of money. Positive money sits above a horizontal line, negative money below it. My favorite part. I think he means, yeah, his favorite. This must be Bhaskara here. His favorite part is the positive assets. In real life, your money may change day by day, and time can also be positive or negative. Today is the 0 point, yesterday is -1, tomorrow +1, and so on, so that the horizontal line becomes a timeline. On any day, your assets and debts appear as a stack of coins straddling the line, assets above and debts below. The stack at each day shows your financial position that day. For instance, on day 4, you owe 3 coins and have 14 coins in assets. I mean, that is just so fun and really brings algebra to life. So I'm going to put the link to this book. Um, it'll be my Amazon Associates link, so I will get a tiny commission if you purchase, but it's at no extra cost to you, so really no big deal. But grab that book for your homeschool or your classroom. And the second resource I want to share with you is Math Nook. This is a little treasure here. So what I like about this site is you don't have to sign up. You don't have to like get an account. You don't have to pay any fees. It's free. And I'm going to put a link to this down below in the description as well. This is called Math Tank, Algebra, Four-Wheel Fracas. I'm not going to like go through all of these, but you can see there's a huge lineup of different algebraic concepts that can completely cover most, if not all, of the algebraic concepts. So your kids could literally game school through algebra. Woohoo! All right, so grab that link in the description. If you're watching this live right this second, I will put that down after I do this live stream here. All right, so those are my two really exciting algebra resources. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to stop sharing my screen there. I also want to invite you to check out my Math Learning Secrets e-guide, link in the description. This e-guide will help you de-school, unschool math, and it's also the gateway to my year-long course called Math Art, where we look at mathematics in relation to the natural world, the sciences, architecture, art, you name it, chemistry, math is everywhere. So in my course, your family could literally de-school, unschool math. Yes, it is a course, so if unschoolers are interested, you know, the child would be interested. And typically kids don't join my courses unless they are interested. So grab my Math Learning Secrets e-guide, link in the description as well. And I hope to see you on the inside. And check out the next videos that pop up here, and I will see you in the next video.